Hi, thanks for checking our channel. This is going to be a hopefully repair video on this older model. This is the Gallagher M800. This is their older version. They started making this unit back in a version of it called the Bev 3 back in the mid-late 80s. And in 1990, they switched over to the name M800, which the guts were the same, the case was the same, just a different sticker. But these were good old units. They made that model basically from the mid 80s all the way to 2005. So basically had about a 20-year run with this unit. And they've sold boatloads of this model. We've worked on hundreds of thousands of them, I'm sure, over the years. This particular unit is an old. The serial number is that's a pre-1999, 1998 model because they were just using like a sequential number. There's no date format in their serial numbers back then. 98, 99, they went to the current style of serial number dating on their stuff. So this is before that. So this is at least a mid-90s model, maybe early 90s model. Now there probably, if it's legible, there is a date on the inside on a sticker if the sticker's not all faded. We'll pop this unit open, see what we can do to get it going. A note on this: I talked to the customer before he sent it off. He took it to his local co-op to try to get fixed, and they said it had a bad transformer. Of course, Gallagher no longer offers a transformer for it, of course, but and he said, "Can you fix it? It's got a bad transformer." I said, "Yeah, we can do that. We can retrofit a different transformer. They're not a big deal." He said, "All right, well, I'll send it down to you and let you take a look at it." So that's what we're going to do. I can already tell more the transformer. If the transformer is bad, you can see this piece right here is all blackened, so that's bad. This is a thermal, or this is a MOV. It's a surge suppression type device. It blows itself to try to protect the unit. There's also a thermal cutout over here on that little flap. That usually goes first, and if it's too much energy to handle, this will blow second. So we got to replace this and this at least to get it going. The bulb right here is burned out, but that's cosmetic, so you got at least do that part of it. And then we got this capacitor here. It's I don't know if it's been replaced or not, but there is a there's no. See, this didn't have. This has a. The only spot there would be a sticker possibly would be on the transformer itself. There might be a sticker on there. Sometimes they put a sticker on the boards, but this is early enough board that didn't have the date sticker on there. So this is probably from the 90s as well. Capacitor, a little strap that holds it in is missing, but we can put another strap on to keep it from moving around. But let's check this capacitor. This is a 40 microfarad capacitor, 900 volt. So we'll check the capacitor here and see what it reads. There's no polarity to it. Let's go across it. 16.3, so capacitor is very weak. Let's check the primary of the transformer. Should be 0.1 to 1 ohm, 0.2. Check across the secondary side up here on this particular white transformer. It's a factory one from Gallagher. Should be about 11 ohms, 10, 11 ohms, somewhere in that range. We're getting almost 11, so I think the transformer is okay at the moment. So the co-op told them wrong. Not a bad transformer so far. We have to do another test on the unit called a ground fault test, what I call it. And I can't do that until I get the unit running again. So we've got to put a new capacitor in it, fix the board, plug it in, do our other tests on it. So let me go grab another capacitor for it, and then we'll fix this board and we'll go on about our business. Oh, I got another Gallagher factory capacitor, so we'll put that in there. These are a little bit smaller diameter wise than the factory one was, or the other one was. So if we put another strap on it, the factory one, it's going to be too small. It'll work, but this thing will kind of move around a little bit. So what they did later on, they suggested to put a piece of double-sided foam back behind it, help push it out a little bit, plus help hold it in place. And then that would solve that issue. But I'm looking for my double-sided foam stuff. One. I've got some here somewhere. You got some? Alright. Alright, so we're going to put that right there. Peel the back off. Push that in place. The strap we're going to put on it is this thicker white one here. We'll run it up behind there. Alright, leave this out of the way for a second. Let's get this board over here. And let's get our thermal cutout. The MOV that's required for this board. Ow. Okay. Soldering iron is powered up, so we're ready to go. Get this one pre-bent. So first we'll go over here and we'll take out this thermal fuse. Huh? It's not a very good solder job. Oh, we gotta get that light bulb. Huh? Could be. Let's take out this neon bulb. Bulb for it. Since these are physically smaller than the last one, we're going to double it up. Put 2 by 2 of them together. Snip off the excess. Gauge working? There you go. You want me to fix up that solder spots for you? Alright, put this in there. Goes right here. I got this thermal thing here. Come on, get in there. There's one, and the other. Oops, fell out. Alright, get the solder out. This resistor right here looks warm. Let's see, it is a 10 watt, 10 ohm resistor, that white one. On the back side, a little hot spot right there. That could be from when this thing blew. So we'll test that real quick. So that's a cement, whatever resistor. Don't see any cracks. Sometimes you'll see cracks in the backing of it, but it looks okay. But we'll test it anyways. It should be 10 ohm resistor, like this one says it should be, so we'll test it across it and see what we get. So now I'm on the spot. Let's check these 4 diodes up here. These are part of the multiplier circuit. That's good. 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 We'll check the other capacitors. These are 6. These are all good. Alright, let's plug this board back in. Hopefully we're not missing anything else. I mean, if we are, we can dig a little deeper, but this is what we're going to try first. Alright, let's put it in. There she goes. There she goes. Let's test the output. Factory transformer, usually they're about between 5.9 and 6.7 in the transformer. But this one says no low 6.2 volts, 6.2 kV. So let's look at this number here and see what it is peak voltage. 7.2, so that's where it's supposed to be. 500 ohm low says this was at 4.7. And 5.1. Usually we're right around 4.9, what we always get out of them. We're at joule wise, we're almost 6 joule output, 5.9 joule output. Set the pulse speed on this. It pulls every 1.1 seconds, and it is 0.18 millisecond actual shock duration on when it actually hits you. Let's see what it reads on 200 ohm load. 6.5 joules at 3.8 kV. Pretty strong little unit. Higher on probably kill it, probably go past this threshold. Yep. Turned off, yep. Alright, let me do my ground fault test real quick. Let me turn this off. I'm going to unplug this power cord and plug it into a different cord, or different outlet. Let's see. Jumper wire over to the ground. The ground side is this one. And the same. Alright, this one's ready to go. Basically, we need to probably put off the silent one for a while, but usually these old Gallaghers either work or they don't. Typically, don't really have any intermittent issues with these old ones. Light flashing. There it goes. Old reliable. Yeah, old faithful. Well, there's our information right there. Hope you like this kind of stuff. Subscribe if you like to. Send us a unit if you like to. Until next time, we'll see you guys later on.